Welcome to the Griddle Guys. Thanks for joining us. If this is your first time, hit that subscribe button, please.
Like, share.
Yes. You only got two of us tonight. Nate is on vacation. He is in sunny Florida.
And that's the best gift we can give you.
Yes, we can. We are still here in New England. It's crappy out. Nate's in 85-degree weather. It's what, 58, 48 today?
Whatever it is, it's
Rainy,
miserable.
not good. But anyway, Fun Cook Oklahoma burger. Never had one, never made it. Have you?
No, I had to Google it.
I'm excited. I've seen it all over the internet, all over the YouTube. It looks good. We're gonna try to do the Griddle Guy way and see how we like it.
Chris's age, the YouTube.
Don't the YouTube? Stick around. List of ingredients. The star of the show is the onions, and we're gonna do a lot of them. We're gonna make sure that this comes through. That's the whole goal here. We've got a mandolin to do this work. You've seen us use these before. These are a lot of fun. Make very hard work, very easy. So I'm
Keep
gonna
it simple.
have to work on that.
Keep it simple.
I don't want to kill my fingers. But so we got onions. We got for toppings. We've got some jalapenos, some tomatoes. Two kinds of cheese. I got a pepper jack and I got some orange American cheese.
Oh, nice. I thought that was cheddar. Very cool.
American cheese, orange. Got ketchup, some pickles. Jeff's gonna do a little combo sriracha mayo.
Good stuff.
These banana
Peppers?
rings, right?
Little heat, not much.
Little heat. Some bacon. Gonna throw that on there. A little different. It's a Griddle Guy take. And I got some 80-20 beef here. I'm gonna do the big meatballs, smash them down a little bit right on the onions. And this caught my eye. I was at the market. It's a mixture between chuck and brisket.
Yes.
So they're already made. I just wanted to try it out, just to do a little comparison.
They look really good.
With the onions, because I did see a lot of the people on the internet using the brisket combo. So we're gonna check it out. We've got some big buns. So, and of course, some crowns.
Of course you could have crowns.
So that's it. We are, it looks difficult, but this is gonna be really simple. And to celebrate Nate not being here, I got Jeff a little surprise. Since the shrimp guy isn't here, look at that.
Now that.
Jeff came here in not the greatest mood, but he's doing better. I think that should help. What do you think?
That and my Yeti should help too.
And I made one for myself too, so cheers, my man. Cheers to you guys.
Nice.
We're gonna do a little surf and turf. That's a little surf and turf today.
I love it. So good. Nice work.
For those of you, Jeff had a real bad day with insurance companies today.
Miserable. They are horrible.
He doesn't understand why he has to pay for insurance.
Jankowski out of North Andover. You know I'm talking about
I
you.
wouldn't say that out loud. You have to bleep that, Jonelle.
So anyways, Jankowski out of North Andover. So Chris has me doing the onions on the mandolin. I cut 3 onions in half, and I'm just gonna run that through, and as you can see, it makes really short work. And when I get really close, there we go.
So I put some paper towel in the bowl. I mean, these things just have so much moisture in it. I want to try to take some of that moisture out before we throw it on the burgers or on the griddle.
Nothing to see here.
Nothing to see here.
So,
Nate will be happy. He's making a mess of my kitchen, Nate.
you put me to work, this is what happens.
All right, so what is that? What do we got? 2 or 3 onions there?
We got 3.
We got 3. Be careful, he tells me over and over. Your Band-Aid?
I'm like, why is that onion got a little color on it?
Oh, is that what you said? Nothing to see here?
Yeah, nothing in the bowl though.
I'm just gonna eyeball the bowl about that much. They tell you not to compact it, keep it loose.
Yeah.
Smash burger, but I'm not gonna really smash these because you know anything about our videos. I'm not a huge smash burger guy. These are big though, huh?
Yeah. The onions, we got in a bowl,
Yep.
napkin, just to get some of the moisture out, or paper towel.
Tons of moisture, so We're hoping that they'll cook up a little better once we take all that moisture out.
Where do I get the refill for this?
You're gonna have to go to the store and get some more shrimp.
Oh, all right. Makes sense.
All right, we're gonna go fire up the griddles and get going.
Wow, that's easy.
All right, we've got our little setup going pretty good right now. We just uncovered this for the first time this year. First time cooking on the deck all since the fall.
Looks like glass.
This looks amazing. I'm so happy with how it looks, how it held up over the winter. It's the original Blackstone, people. It's still holding, still looks good. Anyway, I'm gonna use 2 griddles today, because why not? We've got a lot going on. Gonna get some taters down.
2 griddle guys.
What's that?
Said 2 griddle guys, 2 griddles.
Why not? You got them, why not use them? Gonna hope we don't run out of gas, too.
Nice.
Alright. So we got that down. Good to go. Close that low and slow. And get the bacon going.
Chris's famous half slice bacon.
Cut in half. Got this low and slow as well. And you know what? This is kind of a good call. First cook, first after sitting all winter. Why not bacon, right?
Makes sense. Always makes sense though.
It does. Hopefully the rain slows down a little bit. It is, I don't know, it's got to be mid-40s right now, which isn't so bad, but it certainly isn't 85 and sunny where that other guy is.
What guy?
I don't even know. What's his name? He's probably half in the wrapper right now, really having a good time.
I'm sure he's feeling for us though.
Yeah. All right, so low and slow, we'll get these going. Got to get the burgers, we'll get some more stuff out here, and should go pretty quickly after this is done.
What are you doing?
Flipping. Trying to get some good color.
Smells like a breakfast joint in here. Chris, what's that?
Oh,
Come on, I had to do it at least once. Bacon's going nicely. Throw some jalapenos on there whole, give them a little color just to slice up.
again, we apologize if you can't hear us because it's pouring out right now.
Yeah.
Want to pan across the yard, Jeff?
Doesn't seem like it's getting better either.
No.
Welcome to New
They
England.
say April showers bring May flowers. They better be right.
You don't like the weather? Wait.
I hit the balls of meat here. Salt and pepper, that's about it. And it's crunch time, so what I'm gonna do this two different ways. So on that internet place, the YouTube, we saw a lot of people who put onions down first, then the burger, and then we saw people put the burger down and then the onions. So we're gonna try it both ways. I'm not sure which way is the right way. I'm not sure it's gonna make a difference at all. Jeff, probably not, right?
I bet it tastes exactly the same.
All right, so we'll do two there.
And delicious.
Then we'll come over and make a handful of onions.
I just think it's easier to do the handful first. Those are nicely cut onions, Chris.
Thank God for that.
Who did those?
Dan Mandolin.
Wow.
And we'll come up here. I guess we'll just try to get as much as we want. I mean, that's what it's all about, right?
So you're going light on the onions is what you're saying.
You think so, huh?
That looks like a lot of...
That's what it's supposed to be. Yeah, let's see what happens with that. Let's wash my hands and smash. Preference of order, Jeff?
No, doesn't matter. You can smash yours first, yeah.
Something like this?
Yeah,
You got enough room there?
probably not.
Let's see what happens.
Nice technique.
Now it's not super smash, which again, Jeff, if you want me to go real thin for yours, please tell me, I will.
Those aren't mine.
This one's not yours? You want one of those?
Just kidding, doesn't matter.
But that worked out all right.
There you go. That's the stuff.
A big patty.
That is, yeah, that's
Big
perfect.
patty. So that worked out pretty good.
Here we
How
go.
this goes.
I like that better already.
Yeah, I might need the stick stuff.
The stick stuff. Butter?
Wax paper.
Oh,
That looks good.
yeah.
And you stayed right under it.
That's gonna flip nicely too.
That's the whole thing. I think you're right. The flip is going to be the key. Oh, soldier!
My goodness.
Slippage, get in there. We can fix that.
Yeah. It's all going to the same place.
That's yours.
Nice. How long do you think it's gonna take? Not too long,
Not
right?
too long at all. I mean, we got a medium heat. I don't even gotta flip cheese and take off. Like the way this is all looking. Let's see what happens. Potatoes are done real quick, Jeff.
Yep.
They're just warming, staying warm in here, but we're all good right now.
Look good.
That's good color.
My jalapenos.
Jalapenos ready to go there. I think we're gonna build inside. We'll cheese them up here, take them inside, and it's too wet out here. We'll build inside.
Perfect.
So we'll see you back for the flip. Let's see what we got here. A little backup spatula, Jeff, just in case.
Here we go.
So this is, we're doing the order they went down, right? Did I do over here first? I think I did.
For all the magic, all the money.
Okay. Not a huge sear like I was looking for. I don't think I have the heat quite high enough. There it is, right there. That looks good. Now the ones with the onions on the bottom. Try to make sure I get them all those onions.
Looks good to me.
Yeah.
Don't mess that one up.
Oh, this one's
No pressure, no pressure. Can you do it? Nice job.
There we go. So,
I like the color on those.
Almost. All right, stayed with. I gotta move fast here because, Jeff, why don't you cheese yours what you like on yours?
Yep.
I'm gonna do one of each. Wait, a little salt and pepper. Would you like a little salt and pepper on yours too? Bang, 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 bang. Yeah. Oh, we gotta get those buns down too. We gotta move, we gotta move. One there, and one there. Actually, this is good. Yeah, two, I like it. That's what I was just thinking. And literally, as soon as those are melted, these are ready to come off. We threw the brisket cheeseburgers down a little bit late. The brisket and chuck, a little mix there. But we're still gonna cook those up too. Oh, yeah.
Good.
We are good. So, we just, first of all, we took the tater tots off. Put those over on the pan. And then we decided to move all of our buns over to the little griddle, just because there was a little too much going on over here.
Yep.
Too much puddle. So now these burgers are done. That cheese is melted perfectly. So yeah, I would, for me, Jeff, the orange on top of the other one, and then just put it off here, and then. Yeah, look at that. Looks good. Oh, yeah.
Definitely magic.
Well, you go up with it. You want the orange on the bottom. I like it. I like it.
Good choice going with the 80 for the ground.
Yeah, right. Those look good.
The onions look even better.
Yeah, those are still good. All right, so we are gonna finish up right here. We're gonna finish up those two other burgers, the beef and brisket. Those are looking good. I'll get one up close here.
I'm gonna drop it.
Good, right there, don't drop it. It's good.
Get those off, we can slice them inside. Keep an eye on the buns. Getting some nice color. Pound of bacon grease doesn't hurt that situation.
Those are big buns still. Right, so we're good. We will see you peeps inside.
Looks good. Cheers.
1, 2, 3. Done.
So Chris really knocked it out of the park with this. He cooked it. It's not undercooked. It's not overcooked. It's perfect.
No, it's actually fun cook.
I'm doing a little bit of a low carb diet, so forgive me. I got mine wrapped in
You
lettuce.
look great. He's lost a lot of weight. He's doing very well.
Down a couple.
Good up, man.
What do you got on yours?
So I'm the one with the way we did the onions on the griddle. I'm the one who did them on top.
Yep.
Your burgers were the ones we did them on the bottom.
Yep.
Cooking wise,
They looked about the
about
same.
the same. I really didn't see a big difference, but we've never tried this, so we're gonna dig in. I'll get my mouth around it. Got a lot of onion flavor for sure.
A lot of onion, and I got a good char on some of my onions, like I can
Crisp.
taste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the burgers crispy.
Well, I'll tell you, that was pretty quick and pretty easy.
Oh, I like it.
I like it a lot.
I think I would do that again. You know, I added tomato to it, a little bit of pickles, 2 kinds of cheese, and ketchup. And I don't think I put anything else on, just ketchup, a little mayonnaise on the bottom. But overall, it's a good burger. And it wasn't, you know, there's 2 patties in here, so it wasn't completely smashed, but good enough. I like it. How about you?
Delicious. Delicious, and I think the 80% ground, 20% made a huge difference too, because it's nice and tender, nice and juicy. But if you made it this far, we appreciate it. We love you guys. Griddle on, like, subscribe, share, comment.
This is the brisket one.
That's the brisket.
We are gonna try it. We'll put it maybe in the, what are we gonna do?
Eat it.
Eat it. I'm gonna eat it. We'll let you know how it is.
Nate, we miss you. We'll see you in the next one.